So welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing, and right here in today's video I'm going to show you an amazing strategy to go on to getting laser targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers, which you can get from any platform of your choice right now. So why not just simply watch this video as we walk through this strategy right now together, and you're going to learn that, replicate the strategy and utilize that to get cool traffic and make money with CPA marketing. Now if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways to make money online, and supposing you like such kinds of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and check out, and also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. Now you may also want to check out the first link in the description of this video. That link is going to lead you right now to this amazing course. Now this is for people interested in making money online with YouTube, as the course will enable you set up a 3-hour YouTube work plan to help fast track your channel growth and revenue to enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month on YouTube. Now the course is actually being sold for a sum of $50 right now, because it's actually on a giveaway price or a giveaway phase right now that will last till the 1st of April 2024, as you can see right now. So you could just simply purchase the course at this discounted rate, or after this date, which is April 1st 2024, you can go on to purchasing this for about $199, which is quite much. You're going to be spending an extra $150. So why not just simply go on to purchasing the course right now and save $150 right now by clicking on buy now. Now you can scroll through this page and see much more other details about the course, the YouTube revenue which you can get, the digital product sales, and also affiliate product sales. Now you could also come right into this section and check out this video proof right now of earnings made from this particular course, or the strategies in this course. Now I do want to assure you that this course is definitely worth it. Don't miss out on this opportunity right now. So diving right back into the video of today, we can get any CPA marketing offer we want to promote from platforms like Max Bounty right here, Offer Vault, CPA Lead, CPA Grip, or any other CPA marketing platform of our choice. Right now guys, we just need to go on to log into any of the accounts or any of the application which we are utilizing and log into your account. Now if you take a look at this right now, I'm logged into my CPA Grip account, and you want to come onto this page where you can get offers to promote. Now to get to this page, you just need to click on the offer tools option right here, select my offers from the drop down list that will be provided to you, and you can go just simply filter your offers to get offers from any demographic of your choice. Now you can also filter offers based on payouts by clicking on payout. It's going to take you from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. Now you could also go on to selecting any offer of your choice. Maybe I want to promote this offer, which is actually a VPN offer for, or a mobile install offer for people to install the IP Vanish VPN. Now I need to promote this offer to people residing in the United States that utilizes an Apple iOS device. All they need to do is to install the application using my unique affiliate link, and I'm going to get paid $3.76 for every person that actually does that. Now for me to go on to promoting this offer, I'm just going to copy the link to this particular offer and create a landing page. Now creating a landing page, you could use platforms like breezy.io, systemy.io, Google Sites, otherwise known as sites.google.com, or any other landing page builder site of your choice. Now I'm not going to walk you through creating a landing page in this video, because I have a lot of tutorial videos to show you just that. Now to gain access to such videos, come on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon just beside community and go on to type in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter right now, it's actually going to go on to showing you some cool videos I created for you that teaches you how to create simple landing pages. Now each video is targeting a very cool and amazing platform right now. You can see this video is targeting Google Sites. This one is for systemy.io, this is for Breezy Cloud, this is for Webflow. The more you keep on scrolling through, the more you're actually going to see some cool videos I created for you right now. Now once you've successfully created a landing page for that offer and the landing page is linked to the offer, the next thing which you want to do is to head onto this platform called the TrafficZest.com. Now this is a platform that you can use to get instant laser targeted traffic. As you can see, TrafficZest is the fastest, most scalable way to get converting traffic to your offers. Traffic Zest is currently in beta, already a game changer, and you can actually keep on scrolling through. You can see much more details right here that this is the same traffic that makes us money every single day. Now you can also keep on scrolling through. There are lots of details about this particular platform. Now you just need to sign up to the platform. A sign up icon will be right here, or you could use in the login icon. Then you can just simply click on sign up after clicking on login, because that will actually be provided in that page. Now once you successfully signed up to this particular platform, you can just see that this is actually a paid ad platform. Now to actually go on to promoting your offers, first you need to go on to adding funds to your account. If you click on add funds right now, the page is going to load up and you're going to see the options available to you to deposit money or funds into this particular account. Now you can see that this is a master Visa card, and also the wire transfer you can use to top up your balance right now. Now I'm actually showing you this using a brand new account. I don't want to show you utilize my original account right there. So once you're actually done with this, you want to just simply go on to clicking on create campaign, of which you want to just simply give your campaign a name. Now I can just simply name this something like CPA offer, or I can actually go on to put in something like USA CPA offer. And once you do put in something like this, the destination URL is the link to your landing page or the link to your CPA marketing offer if you are utilizing that directly. Now you can actually go on to put in the campaign to start now, or you could schedule a start date right now. Now once you actually do that, you can go on to scheduling an end date, or you can run the campaign non-stop. Now once you're done with this, you want to keep on scrolling through. As you can see, the kind of targeting platforms you want to get, maybe the verticals, you want to just simply select what this particular offer is actually targeted to. You can also check out your traffic providers, the countries to keep empty for all the countries that you want to target, and I'm just going to go on to targeting the United States. So once I actually do come right here, select the United States of America, I'm just going to leave that as it is. You can also go on to selecting the type of device which you want. Now if I want smartphones or desktop or tablets, I can select that. I'm going to just simply select smartphones only. Now the OS type, I just simply need the Apple iOS devices. You can also select traffic tags right here if you want them from any of this platform, or you can just simply keep the box empty to actually target all traffic sizes or traffic tags. Now for this section right here is where you want to input your budget, and you can see the CPC budget, your maximum cost per click, keep empty for all traffic at any price, and you can keep empty right there if you want, or you could just simply go to input in a price. Now for the total budget, which is a stop campaign when reached, to keep empty for unlimited budget, but I'm going to just simply put in a total budget of, let me say I want to utilize $100 and I want to use about $10 every day. I'm going to just simply insert this at the daily budget. Now you can also see the daily budget distribution if you want a smooth budget, for daily budget smoothly distributed, or an accelerated budget to spend the daily budget as fast as possible. Now I'm going to leave this on smooth, and once you're actually done with all these details, all you actually need to do right now is to click on save campaign. Now once you do click on save campaign right now, as you can see, campaign has actually been successfully saved. You can just simply change the campaign status from pause to active right now. Now if you do changes to active, you can then go on to saving the campaign, and actually the campaign will start running once this has actually been active right now. So before you can make this active, you just need to fund your account. Once you fund your account, you can make this active and you can start making some cool cash by promoting your CPA marketing offer with this platform called the TrafficZest.com. And I do hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for other strategies to make money online, don't forget to check out my channel OJ Marketing, because I usually create videos to help boost your income online. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description of the video, which will lead you to an amazing course right now that you can leverage to go on to making up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month utilizing YouTube. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.